Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a portable tire inflator by a company called Upkeep. This is the box it comes in once it arrives, and then once you open it up, you're of course going to get a user manual that tells you how to operate it. We're going to cover a lot of those features right here in this video. You are going to get a little bag here that's got a attachment for inflating basketballs or footballs, and then you have another attachment here in case you are inflating like an e-scooter or a bicycle. Then you are going to get the little attachment here that you will attach to a car or add on these external attachments. This will attach to the device, and we'll show you how to do that here shortly. You will get a USB Type-C charging cable, or you will get a cigarette lighter cable that has an 11-foot cord. So what's nice about this thing is it has a 10,000 mAh battery built into it. So you are not tethered to your cigarette lighter or an outlet. It's easy to grab this device, fill up the tires that you need to. You don't have to struggle with any cables or cords. However, they include this in case you forget to charge it up or you run out of battery life or you're someplace where you need to power up the device, you can do that. So it's very flexible, and that's one of the big selling points of this device that I personally love is the fact that you are not tethered to an outlet. Then it's going to include this little mesh bag, and you utilize that to store these so that way you don't lose them. It's also going to include a fabric bag so that way you can store the device itself. Now here is the device itself. So it does have some rubber feet here on the bottom, so when you are utilizing it you can set it like so, that way you can easily see the screen. It also has rubber feet here in case you want to just set it like so on this side. Now, as far as, like I mentioned, the little device here, that is going to go where this red is. There is only one way to put it in. You just simply push it in, line up the holes, and then twist, and it will lock in place, and you are now nice and secure. This is a little bit of short cable, but once again, you don't need to be tethered to any outlets, so you can get as close as you want. You will notice right there on the front, the first thing you will see is going to be a USB Type-A port. You can utilize this to charge another device, like a cell phone, a tablet, if you are running out of juice, because this has that large battery in it. Then right next to that, you will notice you have the USB Type-C port. That's where you'll plug it in to charge it. Then you will have the slot for your cigarette lighter. And then finally over here, you are going to have a flashlight that you can utilize if it's nighttime, or let's say you get a flat tire and you need to light up your area around you or have an SOS signal, and we'll go over that right here. So first thing, how you turn on the device, simply hold down the power button and then it will say on. So that flashlight, you're simply going to press this bottom button right there. And as you can see, it will turn on. If you press it again, it's going to be doing that blinking mode, which will just help draw attention, especially at night if you're changing out a flat tire or you're putting your spare and it doesn't have enough air in it. Press it a third time and it will turn off. Now, one of the other nice features about this device, it has a bunch of preset modes. So the first mode, you will see it has a little picture of a car there. So what is that doing? That's telling you it has a preset automatic on it, which is just great. So this is designed for a car. And it also, you'll notice right over to the side screen, it says PSI. This thing has 4 different units. How you change the units is you're going to simply hold down the M button and it'll go from PSI to bar. So if you are used to using a bar, you can do that. Hold it down again and it's going to go over to a kPa unit, and then hold it down again and it's going to go to kilograms per centimeter squared, and then finally hold it down again and it's going to go right back to PSI, which is what I use over here. Now simply just tap the M button and it will move over to the next setting, which is for a motorcycle. Tap it again, it's going to move over to a bicycle, again over to a basketball. And then finally, it's going to just turn them all off, and this is the custom mode. Now, why does it have all these presets? So once you set your PSI down here as what your target rating is, it's going to test that, and then once it gets to that, it's going to automatically turn off, which is a nice feature. So you can just hook it up and then kind of walk away and do something as it's filling up, and know it's going to stop right at the right pressure that you are looking for. How you activate it and turn it on: simply press the power button. Press the power button again and it will turn it off if you are manually wanting to turn it off, but like I said, it will also auto turn off if you hit your desired pressure. It's a super fast when it comes to inflating various devices, whether it's your car or your bicycles, which is really a nice feature. Its maximum rating is up to 150 PSI. So it pretty much covers almost all devices out there. So as long as it's under 150 PSI. As far as the cordless act of the battery, it's going to last for approximately about 40 minutes, which gives you plenty of time to inflate all your various devices out there. But overall, if you are in the market for a portable tire inflator, I really like this one, and I highly recommend it, especially because of the portability and not being tethered to any cables. If there's something that you're a little curious about that I just didn't cover, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.